What's good, YouTube?
I go by the name of Tawan.
And I go by the name of Tashawn.
And what we have today is
a new fitted hat drop from Hat Club. So, we just picked up a new fitted. It's been a long time coming, but we back with another fitted review. So, let's get to it, man.
Let's get to it.
Alright.
So, get to it.
Okay.
This is the box right here. New package from Hat Club.
Hat
man.
Club.
So, ready to see what's in it?
Yeah, let's see what's in it, man. Open up the box, man. Open up that box, you dig? You know what it is, man.
Open that box.
Open that box up, man. So, yes, sir.
Man, see what's up in here, man. See what's in it. See what we got.
Hold on, 1 second. Hold on.
Shout out to all my hat lovers, man. It's been a while since we did a hat review, so I'm very, very excited, man.
Very excited
to see what we have in this box. Let's see.
Let's get it. Trying to be careful. I ain't trying to be careful with this.
Alright.
Hold on.
Ready?
Yeah. Ooh, hold on. Move that box to the side 1 second. Ooh, y'all ready?
Yeah, y'all ready?
Let's get it.
Voila.
There you have it. So
hard.
We have the Hat Club joint exclusively from Hat Club. Alright, so this fit right here, this is the Los Angeles Angels fitted cap from Hat Club. And so this was a part of the collection that they had dropped called the Cactus Fruit. And this is like a burnt orange and purple two-tone colorway, you know what I'm saying? And so what you have here is the, we're gonna put this focus on there. So what you have here is that, like that turquoise greenish color with that purple trim right here. And then also on the outline, what you have here is that little dash of pink right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, yes sir, it's clean. All right, and then overall, you got the burnt orange colorway right here. And on the side, let's get to the side of the side patch, man.
Let's get to it.
So the side patch is the 40th season patch right here, side patch, in the turquoise, like green, purple, and burnt orange colorway right here with the dash of pink in there, you know what I'm saying? And then what you have here on that little top button is that purple joint, you know what I'm saying, right here. And then what you have here on the MLB logo is that purple, white, and turquoise green right here. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. This mug is clean. And then also what you have here is the green underbrim. You know what I'm saying? Gotta have that green underbrim on deck, you dig? And so, right over what you see right here is the sweatband. Is that black sweatband. You know what I'm saying? Keep it clean, keep it clean. And then what you have here is the sizing, which is, excuse me. So what you have here is the sizing, 7.5 right here. And then what you have is the New Era logo right here. 1 second. What you have is the New Era logo right here. And then right next to it, you have the Cooperstown patch right here, the little tag right here, you know what I'm saying, collection, MLB. And yeah, man, this is a really dope hat, really clean hat. You know what I'm saying? Nice, little cooler pickup. But
hey, you know what we gotta do next?
Yes.
We gotta take the tags off.
The tags off.
For all my hat lovers, been tuning in TNT TV. When it comes down to here, man, we don't rock with the tags.
No, we don't do that. So go ahead and put that thing off.
Put that tag off, man. Put that tag off. Hold on, man. Hold on. Wait a minute. All right. Hold on.
You ready? Get it. Let me go ahead and do the honors of bending the brim. Alright, so you already know we always gotta have that coffee mug on deck, man. That infamous coffee mug that you always see on here. You know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and do your thing, man. Let's do our thing with this, man. Go ahead, bend the brim.
Bend that brim.
Go crazy. Man, it's been a minute since I did this.
Yeah, it's been a minute. It's been a while.
It's been a minute since I did this, man.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Fitted hats. Going crazy.
You know what
I mean? And also, man, shout out to all the, the fitted hat community too, man. Y'all, you know what I mean? Y'all still killing it out there with the fitteds, man.
Yup.
Every time, man, it's like, they've been dropping so many colorways and so many styles to choose from. It's like it's amazing.
I can say that hats definitely evolved. Definitely. It been evolved, but I feel like it has so many different designs, so many different colors.
Absolutely.
It's just, man, can't go wrong with it.
Okay.
Let's get to it.
So this is right here. What you gonna do is put it up in that thing right there. Yeah. Leave it in there for about a few seconds or so.
Couple seconds. Not too crazy.
Couple seconds.
You know what I'm saying?
All right. Then we're gonna let that mug sit for a little bit.
All right. So boom.
All right. So this is the fitted right here. All right. We're gonna take that thing off the. You know what I'm saying? Coffee mug. Here you go. There you have it. Ooh-wee. Yes, sir. That mug is crazy. All right. So. Should I try it on? Go ahead, try it on.
Put it on.
All right. See what that. Put that on. Put that fitted on.
Ooh.
Hold on. I'm rocking. I'm rocking YouTube. I'm rocking, man. I'm looking good.
What y'all think, man? Comment below what y'all think of the fitted, man.
Am I looking good or am I looking good? You know what I'm saying? Am I looking good or am I looking good in this fitted right here, man? You know what I'm saying? Hold on.
You gotta put that. You brush that.
You dig?
Get that.
You dig? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You did. Alright. Enough all the playing around, man. Alright, so yeah, man. This is a new fitted, man. We had just dropped, man. We had just got, man, a new fitted hat, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm very happy with this purchase, man.
Oh yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
Sure.
Y'all definitely gonna see more fitteds, man, from us, man, coming soon, man. It's gonna be a lot of dope fitteds that's been coming out for the past couple months and stuff like that, and everybody been, you know what I mean, doing their thing and going crazy with the fitted game, man. So yeah, man, this is the new joint. You know what I'm saying? The new joint, and I'm very happy with this purchase, man. Very happy with this purchase.
This is hard. Yeah. It's clean.
Yes, sir.
That's it. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe to our YouTube, and we will continue to bless y'all with videos.
Yes.
Especially hat reviews, clothes reviews, the whole nine.
Yes, absolutely.
And as long as you like, comment, subscribe, you'll be up to date.
Yep. So, all right. So, and see y'all next time in TNT Bombing out.
Peace.